to remove the light switch on a 1956 Ford. A lot of old cars are this way. There is a button on top of the back of the switch that you have to push right there. There's the button right there that you gotta push to remove the switch. And this switch handle will come right out. I'm going to reach down here and push on this button, and out this comes. The rest of it you're going to take off with a flathead screwdriver. You might want to reach back here and hold on to the switch. And out it's going to come. There we go. The front part of the switch. I need to drop the switch down to do any wiring on this thing because I can't see what I'm doing. And she's in there. She's just hooked up on a bunch of wires. And there we have the light switch in all her glory. We're going to put this back on so Mike doesn't lose it. Now you got to do, put this put her back in her slot, and then that's that. And then we can start decoding all these wires so we can get this thing wired up. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, if you like what you're seeing in this video, please share, like, subscribe, and we'll get this thing running and driving down the road eventually. Thank you for watching.